Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And yesterday I did the unboxing of the origami coffee drip tray, and I said I was going to do another unboxing the next day. And here we are. Yesterday was Thursday, today's Friday night. I'm doing another unboxing. And this unboxing, the reason why I didn't do it yesterday night when I did the origami is because the fact that I was too tired from work. I came back home tired as hell from work, and I was falling asleep. I didn't want to fall asleep doing this unboxing as well. So one unboxing per night, if you know what I mean. Anyways, so this unboxing is a really interesting one, guys. This unboxing is a product that everybody has nowadays for PC gaming. So what happens is I've been trying to play Call of Duty, even though my gaming PC has a lot of lagging issues. I guess my graphics card, maybe gaming PC is from the year 2021, but it still doesn't cope. You know, it still needs a little adjustments. It just needs that oomph, that better graphics card because I have a Ryzen 5 AMD, so and I got some good RAM and good SSD hard drive. I mean, I got a really good gaming PC that I use for my studio purposes for video editing these YouTube episodes sometimes if it gets too complicated, or for I don't know, when I make music or something. Anyways, so this unboxing is for the most popular because always search things up, like I say all the time. I'm always searching up what the top five is nowadays. And one of the things that one out of the top five, this is what came up as top number one on a lot of videos I saw on YouTube. Heck, even Linus Sebastian reviewed it many times, and even gave it the thumbs up. And whenever Linus Sebastian, I don't care what YouTuber you are, if Linus Sebastian, which is the king of electronics, gives it the thumbs up, you know it's good, you know? And earlier when I was eating dinner, I watched re two quick reviews on this so I could, have a little knowledge of what I gonna say when I'm unboxing it. And so they also said it sounded good. So I was like, wow, holy cow, this must be something then. I haven't heard them yet, obviously because they're still in the packaging. But the point is, these are the most popular gaming headsets, and it's the Astro gaming headset A10 for Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, PS4, PC, and Mac. They're wired because I guess the Astro Gaming A10 headsets are wired. It doesn't matter if it's wireless or wired to me. I got this new Xbox controller. I think I did the unboxing last week on Saturday. Was it? No, Saturday. I think it was either Saturday or no, I think it was Tuesday night. The Xbox controller, which I actually have it right here. In all its glory. So I'm going to connect the Astros on that 3.5 plug right there. These are the headsets I'm giving away because they're good, but they're not that great. And they're old school, probably from the year 2017 or something. And I wanted something modern. So I went online to find what the best is. And it was these Astro A10s. Anyways, those were the Outtech Lantings, which I actually have the YouTube unboxing of somewhere randomly all the way at the bottom of my YouTube videos. So go check that out. And I got this when I was working at Burlington for $29. Those sound okay, but it's not like really spectacular or anything like that. Supposedly, when I hear headphones, I could immediately tell you, whoa, this sounds legit, or whoa, this sounds like garbage. Especially with earbuds, also. I've had many earbuds. Right now, like you've seen my unboxing, also, the Anchor Liberty 4s, those sound legit. Anyways, but besides that, so the Astro Gaming A10 headsets are for Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, PS4, PC, and Mac. But because they're wired and they're not wireless, apparently, yeah, they're not wireless, so there's no Bluetooth connectivity. You can only use it on tablets and phones that have a 3.5 in it. So it's whatever. It has a boom mic, and I didn't know this. I thought Astro was its own company, but apparently I recently learned that Astro is from Logitech. I didn't know that. Oh well, that's something new that I just learned. I learned about it a couple of days ago when I was reading on Amazon. When I was trying to buy this is the most hottest selling item right now, and I was trying to buy it, and all the Astros were all used. At least the one I wanted, the Call of Duty ones. And then I went for, okay, so I gave up on the Call of Duty ones because I'm not gonna pay almost $60 or $70 for some used cans for gaming that has earwax on them. Literally, eBay and Amazon were selling some of them that had earwax on them from the previous owner. That I was like, ugh. I mean, the actual previous owner used them, and apparently he doesn't know how to clean his ears. That's just rank. Anyways, so finally I said I'm not gonna get the Call of Duty ones. I'm just gonna go for regular ones. So I had color options: blue, green, which is the one I got, the neon green one. Then there was the blue and the red. I went for the green because the green matches more with Call of Duty and Halo. Right. Logitech Astro Gaming Headset. Durability. Features durable headband, anodized aluminum, wrapped in a damage resistant polycarbonate blend so your headset will withstand wins, loses, and everything in between. Comfort, extend comfort, memory, foam ear cushion keeps you from fatigue so you can play as long as you want in complete comfort. That's another thing. If this thing, and this I didn't know anything about this, but if this thing actually does the ear fatigue thing, because most of these gaming headsets and studio headsets for producing music, and even the DJ headsets I use when I DJ, they give me a lot of ear pain because I wear glasses, my Versace's. Now I got the Pradas that are gonna be rubber, so hopefully that helps. But still, if it does what it does, the ear fatigue, I think I'm gonna end up buying another pair just for music and everything and DJing and everything else. Even though I got the Pioneers, the Pioneers actually sound really good. The Bluetooth Pioneer DJ ones. So yeah. Anyways, complete with comfort, communication with omnidirectional mic, featuring flip up mute functionality and inline volume control. So basically, you could flip the volume, you could flip the boom mic up, and it mutes your mic, so you don't like mess up, and while you're chit chatting with your friends playing, you don't slip up and say something you don't mean or some embarrassing thing. Anyways, it has volume control, and your terminates will always hear each other clearly and accurately. Sound quality tuned for gaming. The A10 features immersive and accurate audio the way sound developers intended, low latency, and precise voice communication, mean you're always in sync. Eco packaging, new in non-retail packaging with minimum literature. And yeah, so let's unbox it. Enough with the talking. Let's get to the meat. Interesting. A box inside of a box. Oh, this is renewed. I thought this was brand new. I literally paid. Hold on. Hold on. I'm literally like, I'm kind of like wondering here. Here, I paid $24.99. Well, it says 24.00, but I paid $24 plus tax to get a brand new. It clearly, see, this is the ones, it clearly says it. Buy new for $24. This is the one that I actually got because I actually went to my online order thing, and these are the ones. See how it says last purchased? Here it says renewed. What the hell is up with that? That shit sucks, dude. Oh, I don't even get the original box, dude. I wanted the original box. This is all I got. Air packaging thing. Nowadays you get these air packagings instead of the peanut things, which is actually better for me because the peanuts make a big mess everywhere. Dude, this sucks. You guys saw that it said brand new for $24. It even tells you right here, Amazon renewed. That is so rank. I would have gone up to Amazon and been like, yo, my man, I used to work for you guys. I know how you guys are. Why the hell are you doing this to me? I literally wrote, here's a happy and unhappy thing. I'm not going to send it back because it clearly looks like it's still brand new. It doesn't look like it was used. The reason why I didn't want to buy it used was because the fact that somebody could have an ear infection or something, and you know, I don't want that. But anyways, here it is, guys. Here's the boom mic, which, by the way, look at this. You could bend it anywhere you want. I like that. Look at this thick padding. Oh shoot. Astro green. It actually smells brand new too, though. No lie. So okay, maybe they just decided to call it renewed, but it's technically brand new, just without the box, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, that was the boom mic. Here is the where you connect the 3.5, which is also which is also over here. Nice. See, as long as it has the 3 prongs, that means one is left, right, and microphone. Apparently this one has more prongs. Let me see with the camera. There we go. Zoom in, you bastard. There you go. This one has more prongs. So it has left, right, mic, and something else. I guess it's like, I guess the 5th one is more like I guess the 5th one, see this one only has, this one has 3, this one has 5, so it must be a 5.1 somehow. I don't know, where would you connect? You're supposed to connect this to your, I've seen people connect this to their piece, directly to their PC, 3.5 on the back of the PC, but I'm gonna connect mine to the controller, the Xbox One controller I got from GameStop. So now the question is, okay, you could, I guess, that, and then this to the controller. Here's the left and right signal. So, ooh, these feel super comfortable. Holy crap. No wonder these are popular. Oh shit. No lie. These feel really, really super snug and comfortable. Let's see. So this opens up kind of like a pocket-sized manual, kind of like the recent modern manuals that are not booklets. Here's everything. Tells you how to connect it to the Xbox controller, the PlayStation controller. Well, look, see, even the phone for a casual music listening. Oh yeah, good thing I love this. Here's where you connect it to the laptop. And then it's supposedly, oh, sold separately. This adapter sold separately, which I think I actually have that. I'm not mistaken. I think I do. I may not. But here you have the volume knob. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got the volume knob, and that's about it. There's no on and off switch or dongle or something. So technically, like I said, to turn on and off the microphone, you have to have the microphone in this position, and then you lower it back down to turn on the mic. So whenever you're playing an online game, and I've seen most of you gamers, you get really pissed, just do this. We don't need to hear the yip yap of how you lost on Call of Duty online. Well, it seems like it's really clean around the sides of the ear cuffs. Doesn't look like there's earwax anywhere. It looks literally brand new. And it smells brand new too. See? And well, guys, there's really not much else to say about these, but oh yeah, and oh yeah, there we go. It's another thing I actually wanted to mention is the design here. It's made out of aluminum, so it's really durable and hard to break. People were doing this on the YouTube videos, so it's hard to break. A lot of people claim that they have dropped these a lot, and they have dropped them and it hasn't broken. Anyways, oh yeah, and there's no light on this. Most modern gaming headsets I've seen have LED lights on them, but these don't. So maybe some other Astros do, or maybe the most expensive one, which I'm not gonna buy unless I get sponsored by Astro, which would be the A50s. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for liking and commenting and subscribing. I'll put, as always, the link in the description of where I bought these merchandises so you guys can have a goodness of goodness. And I always find when I buy these the lowest price. So if I put the link in the description down below, you guys get to also pay what I pay, which is the lowest price. Because we ain't got a lot of money to splurge like that. So see you in the next episode.